Hello, what is your name?
I'm Marafi Astori Solar.
How old are you?
I'm 53 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm widow.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes,
How many kids you
I
have?
have 5.
How old are they?
32, 28, 27, 24, and 18.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
14 years.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I work in Middle East in Kuwait 4 years and 4 months. 3 months.
Okay, 4 years, 3 months.
Yes,
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
4 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Living in Olympic City, Mongkok.
How many square feet of your employer's house? How many square feet?
1-3.
1,300.
Yes.
Okay. How many family member there?
There are only 3.
How many kids?
Only 1.
How old?
4 years.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What
Okay.
time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning at 6:45. I prepare the breakfast. Wake up the baby going to school. Prepare her stuffs for the school, and then cook for her breakfast. And then at 7:30 I must go down to bring her to the bus stop. Wait for the bus
Go
to
back.
come. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I go back home. To clean the house.
Okay.
And then prepare again the lunch for the kids to come back at 12 o'clock. But before she came back, I had to cook. I cook already her lunch.
Okay, so do you go market?
Yes, every day.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
I cook dinner at exactly 6 o'clock.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They eat, sometimes it's not fixed time.
Okay.
Sometimes they eat early, and then sometimes 9 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
The latest is 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.